Good day, guys. Being here. Before we start today, so this is a little project I did in 2016 in school, and it's a little. The idea is a piece of paper wrapped around a box. Okay, so and also I did a model of this house here. And then in Revit, so this is some 3D view in Revit, and then some here, this is some render in mullion. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to quickly model this little house. Okay, so let's start. First, let's create a project. And so first let's draw some reference plane RP, and I guess I'll make it 6 meter wide. Okay, and another reference plane, and I'll make it 12 meter long. So this will be the box where the box is. Okay, so now I'll just draw some wall. I'll use the generic 200 wall, and box I'll use finished face exterior, and then I'll just draw it inside this reference plane. And also let's go to 3D view, and I'll just need to because in this project there will be a mezzanine. Yeah. So I guess the height will be roughly 27, another 27, so maybe 5.4 or 5.5. So I'm going to change the first level to 27 or even 24. I mean, let's I think, and then we can copy another one, 24, and I think 24. I'll make it maybe make it 27. Okay, and so this one will be 27 as well. So I'll make it 5.4 meter high overall. Okay, and then select all these wall. I'll change this to level 2. Okay, and then so we look at this. We are going to start from the roof, because the roof will start from here and then 45 degrees go there. So let's do it. Roof, yes. Oh, actually, we're going to place it on level 2, and then pick wall, tab, select, and then select all of them. Uncheck slope. So I'm going to make it flat for now. Okay, so finish. So this is the roof. 400. Yeah, not sure about the thickness. Maybe I'll make it 200. I know you probably can't have a 200 thickness wall. Oh, sorry, 200 thickness roof. Oh, sorry. Yep. But this is a concept design, right? Just want to, have a same thickness. So, because I'm using 200 wall, so I'll just make this a 200 thick roof panel. So maybe we can have some structure under that, or I don't know. So now we have this roof, and then edit footprint. So I'm going to draw the line, start from this point, and 45 degrees. Okay, so trim and delete this one, and uncheck the define slope. So now we have this roof. Okay, so then the next step, we can add this wall. Okay, so you can just edit profile of this wall, or you can add another wall here. Okay, so I'm going to you can use this trim extend, pick this face, pick this wall. So you will see, because these two walls are the same type, so same material, when they join, it automatic, there will be no line between them. And then we can just edit this profile of this wall. Okay, so edit, and then I'm going to draw a line, start from this point, and 45 degrees. Okay, trim, delete, finish. So now this is the wall, this wall, and then the floor. So if I drag back a little bit, so see this wall here continue from this point, so 45 degrees. So what we don't have a floor yet, so we can just create a floor. So actually I'm going to create a 200 thick wall, because this is concept, right? And okay, so pick wall, and then I'll delete this one, and then actually, hang on. Yeah, you have the option to create one floor here and then another floor here, but I'm just going to draw one floor. Okay, so, and also you can, in this exercise, I'm going to pick the exterior face of the wall. Okay, so trim, and that's it. So it looks like there's something's happening here. So let's say maybe I'll have a look at, I'll use this one, wall joint, and see what happens here, because there should be a line there, right? Now there's a line there, and this point, maybe I need to pick this point instead. So instead of that one, so this one, finish. Yeah, I think that's better. This is okay. And now I'll change to shade SD. And for this line, I'm going to use curtain wall. Okay, so WA, curtain wall, go down there. I'll use just this one, storefront. Edit type, check this automatically embed, and okay. And I'm going to draw this inside. So see this dashed line, this is the center of the wall. Okay, I'll just roughly draw it here and stop at this corner. And also I forgot to change the height, so you can change the height to match the level 2 height, so which is level 2. And also I'm going to edit profile, and I'll just draw a line, start from here, this one, see this point, and then 45 degree as well, and trim, delete, and finish. And Revit asked me, do I want to delete this one? Yes, please. Okay, so now, so 45 degree, so now we need this floor continue. So I'm just going to edit boundary of this floor and start from this point, okay, and then 45 degree, trim, and finish. And of course, if you want to, you can add a door here. So I'm going to use the same curtain wall here, okay. So you can just change the height here to maybe let's say 3 meters. So some curtain wall here. Okay, so maybe, yeah. And then you can use the curtain panel door. So if you go to insert, load family, so this is the folder. So if I go back one step, so this is under the Revit family curtain wall panels, and you will find these glass doors. Okay, so I'm just going to use curtain wall single glass, and then you can tab, select this panel, and change it to this glass door. Okay, so you can go to ground or floor plan, so you can switch the door, and that's it. Yeah, and also if you want to add another window on this side, you can draw another curtain wall, and then you can edit profile, draw a line, start from roughly, it's a little bit hard to pick the point, I think here, and 45 degree, trim, delete, and finish. Oh, looks like a delete element. Looks like I need to move this a little bit closer to the corner. MB, move here. Remove constraint and finish. Oh, maybe you need to make it slightly bigger. Just move this up here. Finish. Oh, a different size. Let me change this, adjust this, move this up a little bit here. So, okay. I think they are the same size now. Nice. Okay, so yeah, and also when you create two curtain wall at the corner, you will always see this little wall there. So the easiest way is to use wall opening. So pick this wall and then draw a box. See this box? Just drag this to cover that corner. Okay, so let me just go up a little bit. Yep. Close enough. And let me have a look, see if I can change the mullion. So yep, so if you change the mullion, a corner has been placed and not joined to another curtain wall. Not joined to, but anyway, yeah, sometimes this will happen. So probably because when I draw this mullion, so it's actually stopped here. So maybe I'll try to let me try to. It's there. If I reset profile, yeah, it's already here. So let me Control Z. To be honest, I don't know. Usually, if you if you have two curtain wall join together, oh, see, it works now. So Revit will ask you the corner mullion overlaps mullion placed on neighboring curtain region. So it will ask you to delete the other mullion. So delete. If you click delete, you will see it will delete the other one. So let me show you again. So if I change this to a corner mullion, and Revit will ask me and to delete the other one. So see, the one on the left is gone. Okay, so one more time. So change this to quad, delete element. So we'll have only one. And of course, if you don't want this mullion here, you can delete it. And then you will see the horizontal mullion will join together. And also you will see this gap. This is because the offset of this panel. So this is a system panel. So if we tab, select this one, edit type, you will see this offset. It's offset from the center That's why it's creating this gap. So if we change this to 0, for example, and you will see it will close this gap. Okay, so let me just put the mullion back on. So CS, place it here. Okay, so that's it. And also, so this door, I did some video talking about a family like this one, so you should be able to find that family and have a look. Okay, so you can place it on here. And oh, sorry, because currently the roof is flat, we need to add a slope to it. So edit footprint, and so if you check the slope on this side, so for example 2 degrees, and it will go up on this point, and then if I attach it to the roof, it will break this shape here. So what I'm going to do is, instead of use this edge, I'm going to uncheck this one and use this edge to define slope, but I'm going to use -2 degree. Okay, so it will go down. So finish, so you will see it will go down at this point, and looks like it's a little bit overlapping. So let me try attach top. Yeah, that's okay, good. Attach top, I'm not sure because we edit profile here, so maybe not. Maybe it's easier to use join. Okay, join, and okay, because looks like this wall is slightly higher than the roof. So what I'm going to do is I'll just edit profile, and I'll just pick this edge, or maybe even pick the underneath of the roof. Okay, so, and I'll, for this point, maybe I'll adjust this to, I'll just leave it. I'll leave it. Okay, so finish. Yeah. Let's pretend this is not here. Okay. And so looks like this wall needs to attach top as well. Okay, and then also here attach top. Nice. And then you can add some fascia board, CS. So I like to create them as separate. So one here. So see, every single one's different. So it's let me show you why I'm doing this. Okay, so you can create a fascia wall. So this also applies to gutter and wall sweep. Okay, so if you create one, you can use add remove segment to place multiple, and the one you create eventually will be one single element. So this I don't like this, because sometimes when you adjust something, it will affect the rest. So for example, if you tag something in your elevation or floor plan, and you delete part of that, all your tag will move. Okay, so this is not, I don't like this method. So what I always do is, if I need to create something, so fascia or gutter, I'll just create one, and the next one you can use this one restart, which means create another one, or you can just escape and select it, CS, create similar. Okay, so CS, create similar, and then gutter. So here we only have one gutter, that's fine, but yeah, sometimes when you have a building with all the hit roof, and then you create a gutter around the building, and sometimes you delete one and you think you just delete one, actually delete the whole thing. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, so internal will be very simple, just little little bathroom with a bedroom on top, a little stair. Okay, so it's very okay. So that's it. If you have any question, please let me know, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.